Mike's vlog. Today we're going to be pranking Jessica by blowing up her K-Series. I'm going to be driving in first gear everywhere we go. I haven't changed the oil in 5,000 miles, and I need to see if that matters. Is oil changing a scam? So funny, guys. She's gonna laugh. We're all gonna have a very good laugh. So many people around, bro. We're just clap car. Dude, there's a cop. There's a freaking cop. Accident. Time for another oil change. Hi guys, 45% chance I'm getting pulled over. There's a cop 3 cars behind me. This is the second time I'm getting pulled over in this car, just because the license plates are bad. I'll leave you guys right here. Pull me over.
Hi, how you doing? I'm Sergeant Civic of Brunswick Police Department. The reason I got you stopped is the plates are expired 3 years ago. They don't belong to this car.
They belong to a Subaru, right?
Yeah.
Yep, I just bought this car like 2 weeks ago or something like that, and I believe I have 30 days to get the tags registered. I have a check engine light, so I'm working on getting that fixed right now.
All right, do you have a bill of sale? Well, what you could have done is you could go to the BMV and you can get a temporary tag.
I thought you only get temp tags if you buy like a brand new car.
No, they can issue you a temp tag. Did you read this bottom part here?
What?
The bottom part of your title?
I'm pretty sure that I had 30 days to get that all sorted out.
This is a salvage motor vehicle.
Yeah, okay. I have an inspection date on the 24th.
But read very closely what it says. Vehicle shall not be operated. Vehicle may only be driven as specified in 4505.11.
All right, I won't drive it anymore. I promise.
I'm not going to write you any tickets today.
Thank you so much.
Really, we should be towing it and impounding the car.
I was gonna say, take this fucking thing home.
Okay.
Yeah, straight home.
Straight home.
Okay?
Okay.
No more on the road today, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
I'm so sorry.
Your beater cars, man.
That was crazy, guys. The police told me never to drive this car. I'm very upset. But anyways, I'm driving the car again. I still need to get from point A to point B. I need to make this video where I blow up the engine in a random neighborhood, guys. We're going to be waking everyone up at 6 o'clock in the afternoon. The guy said that's a lot of noise for going that slow. My vlog, this is Jessica's cup. It's expensive for some reason. I went out and I bought a fake one for $5. I thought it would be so much cooler if I paint matched it to our 2006 Honda Civic SI. This was actually Jessica's idea. She suggested that I get this cup, but I thought it would be really funny if I painted this. Okay guys, first coat, it's going to be very light. Guys, who would have thought that I probably need primer? It's not sticking at all. Hopefully this turns out alright. I resanded everything down. This is super glassy, super awesome. Highway Patrol. Scraped as low as we can get. Mike's vlog here, guys. We have the State Highway Patrol inspection to get this a rebuild title today. I know what you might be asking. Mike, why don't you get a haircut? You also might be asking, you guys didn't fix anything on the car.
I think we're gonna get declined.
We are going to be planting this GoPro in the back.
Take this part. Oh.
Maybe, just maybe, we'll catch them saying something funny.
Vlog. Today I'm drinking a stevia and Mikey is driving into the sheriff's place. Will they give us a ticket inside of it? Hell no.
Will they impound the car?
Can they do that?
Maybe. I don't know. We're inside. Hey vlog, they failed us.
What did you buy off of eBay?
It's a diamond ring for Jessica. As you can see, guys, our car absolutely bombed the inspection, and this is why. The only real note that they had for this car was the passenger door handle didn't work. As you can see in our first video, it worked when we got the car, and it's the only reason it failed inspection. None of these matter, you know, the bumper sagging, the headlight being smashed, mufflers too loud, airbag went off. The only thing they cared about was the stupid door handle. We are right now going to pick up SI parts. So this guy on Facebook is offering us $300 for a door, fender, headlight, and airbag. I'm just sitting here sipping out of my awesome SI cup. How real thugs do. We made it here. He has a bunch of EP3 Civics, and he's also parting out an 8th gen SI, which is exactly what I need. This is the 8th gen Civic we are parting out. We already got the fender off. We got the door 90% off. Not the price though, just the bolts. You see this one's not cracked or anything.
No, I'll say yours is nice. Your seats are real nice.
Thank you.
They're better than the ones I just sold.
I just washed them really good.
Mine had 2 cigarette burns in it.
I hate that.
See, though, I don't think we had to.
Oh yeah, there's one screw all the way down here.
Right. See, they came out with, they made the SIs clear up to 2005.
The EP3?
Yes. Then that's when they made these. From
2006?
2006 up.
Yep, that's what this is, 2006.
And they came out smarter.
Okay, cool. These are good.
Hi.
Hello. I'm still good. Alright, doors unplugged. Hold it. Pull it. Cool. In this trunk is everything I got from that part out. As you can see, we did get the new door and fender put on. I didn't put the headlight on yet, and they work. But we still need a mirror from the junkyard. We also got a new center console lid because the other one was literally snapped in half somehow. I got 2 sets of SI floor mats, and here are the headlights. We also got miscellaneous trim panel pieces that he was just gonna throw away, so he gave them to me for free. You can see my dumb floor mats don't say SI on the top of them, and there's holes in it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.